Unveil the truth of your dark night of the soul with compassion in this human design transit starting on March 13th in Gate 36 crisis. Now in this 8-year wisdom, wealth, and power, in order to attract any of these in your life in their highest form, you have to be a vibrational match. Now in order to be a vibrational match, you have to ask yourself, does my knowledge and my emotions match what I am attracting? If not, then you have to be willing to look at your shadow, those hard parts of yourself that you would prefer to ignore, and do the inner work to break the old beliefs and patterns to get yourself whole and well. And these human design transits will help you to do that in a focused way. So my intention for this video is to help you to understand how this energy of Gate 36 crisis will look, how it will feel, what you can reflect, journal, and affirm to use the energy for self-discovery and healing to support your well-being, your health, your joy, and your prosperity. But before we get started, don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button so that you're notified when a new video has been posted. Now, when working with the energy of these transits, it is helpful to know your human design blueprint to help you to focus on healing your unique energetic blueprint. And if you're new to human design and you are ready to discover and empower yourself, work on healing the traumas of your past. Learn to manage your energy, make decisions that feel good on the inside as well as on the out. Take action that is in agreement to your whole self, your mind, your body, and your soul. Then click the link in the description box to learn how you can book your reading on our website today. Welcome to Dvn Bluprnt, where we help you to awaken the divine design in you. Now, starting on March 13th to March 18th, the human design gate has shifted to Gate 36 crisis. Now, Gate 36 crisis sits in the solar plex center, the center of emotions, feelings, nervousness, and moods, the home of your self-conscious, your personal power, your personal self-confidence, and self-respect. Now, Gate 36 crisis is about having passion for yourself and others during challenging times, the crisis, your dark night of the soul, as well as your sexual nature. Now, on the lower expression side, Gate 36 crisis can make you feel like you are not allowed to be compassionate to yourself due to living up to very high standards. So therefore, you'll start to beat up on yourself, which can show up in two ways, one as nervousness and the other as being prone to crisis. Now, nervousness is a repressed emotional expression. It's an inward emotion where you are resisting the flow of your energy, which then gets trapped into your nervous system and then expressed as nervousness. And this nervousness is a fear of change as well as a repressing of your sexuality, which then can result in your inability to relax and possible a nervous breakdown, as well as other serious conditions. Now, prone to crisis is a reactive emotional expression, an outward emotion, and this shows up as constant drama in your life, sexual fears, hidden deep guilt. And this is due to your unwillingness to deal with your emotions, so that you act out destructively, and you do it repeatedly without thinking of any of the consequences. So here's what Gate 36 crisis is asking you to reflect and journal on during this time. What crisis am I experiencing? Why? How does this crisis show up emotionally? Is it nervousness or is it prone to crisis? What is this crisis, this dark night of the soul, trying to teach me? And what do I have to be honest about in order to transform this crisis? And last, how can I be more compassionate to myself and compassionate to others? So take time to reflect and journal on what Gate 36 crisis is revealing to you during this transit. Now, crisis is an emotionally stressful, traumatic event that happens in your life to help you to take an honest look at yourself, to uncover where you are physically, mentally, and emotionally. You see, its purpose is to get you back to being whole and well. This crisis can happen at different stages, different ages, and different seasons in your life, and it can create an immense amount of suffering, that dark night of the soul. And this suffering that you are experiencing is to teach you a lesson of love. Now, in order to learn the lesson, you have to have the power to endure the suffering. And this is where your human design can help. You see, human design holds your unique energetic blueprint, your unique expression, your unique way of experiencing love, experiencing compassion, and your unique way of dealing with your inward expressions of nervousness and your outward expressions of being prone to accidents that supports you to being whole and well. So if you haven't booked your reading today, then click the link in the description box to learn how you can on our website. Now, Gate 36 will affect us all differently based on whether the solar plexus is defined, undefined, or open, and this gate is activated or not. And this is where your human design blueprint will help. Now, people with this gate activated are here to teach us how to be humane, to be compassionate to others by embracing our own suffering. So when the solar plexus is defined, you are waiting for clarity and not allowing your emotions to dictate you. You're not spontaneous with your decisions or taking actions, and you're taking care of yourself. Now, when it's undefined or open, your emotional energy is sporadic, and so therefore you have boundaries in place to ensure that you are not attracting drama, that you're not neglecting your needs because you're being too kind or people pleasing. Now, to help you to tune into your solar plex and to connect with your personal power, you can connect with the organs associated with the solar plex, which are the kidneys, the pancreas, and the nervous system. Now, your kidneys store your emotional blockages of fear, and your pancreas stores the emotional blockages of missing out in life, and your nervous system transmits those emotions throughout your body. So to connect, place both of your hands on the lower part of your back while asking yourself the following questions. What choices have I made in the past that caused me to act out nervously? What choices have I made in the past that caused me to be accident prone, crisis prone? And how does these choices disempowered me? And last, what can I do to restore my power? Now take time to connect with the kidneys and the pancreas to see what they are revealing to you and the emotional signals they are sending throughout your body. Now last, to help you to connect with your ancestor, your guides, your spirit team, your higher self, and the divine, to help you with focusing on being whole and well, here are some affirmations that you can say along with the journal prompts in the earlier part of the video. I am powerful, therefore I am able to allow myself to relax and feel what my emotions are signaling to me. I am confident in my ability to stand on my own. I honor myself, therefore I eliminate the drama in my life. Now feel free to say these affirmations as many times as you wish, or even create your own to help you to know who you are, to stay connected with your spirit team, and to help you tap into the energy of Gate 36 crisis. Now, These transits are available for all of us to use if we choose to or not. And if you decide to use it as part of your self-discovery and healing journey, then make sure you are following your human design strategy and authority. So during this time, unveil the truth of your dark night of the soul with compassion in Gate 36 Crisis. And don't forget to like so others can see, and share so others can learn and heal. Subscribe. Hit that notification button so that you're notified when a new video has been posted. And leave us a comment. Let us know what Gate 36 Crisis is revealing to you. Did you know that there's a wisdom that has been hidden deep inside? This wisdom is desiring to express itself, and we can help you uncover your inner wisdom with a human design reading. Our human design readings vary from a simple profile reading to advanced reading that focuses on aligning you to your soul vision and to awaken your divine blueprint. So if you are ready to uncover your inner wisdom, the link is in the description box. Now, let me leave you with this. Your divine blueprint is your original essence. It's who you truly are. Underneath all the disappointment, frustration, resentment, anger, and more, it's your true, authentic self. The ultimate goal is to express unconditional love and experience it. It starts with awareness of you, and leading with an open heart. So it's a perfect time to continue to awaken the divine design in you. See you in the next video.